Think of a sneaky plan. Walk this way. Yeah, Dorothy. Great spot to build a fire station. Okay, I've got all the supplies. We can start construction. I repeat, we can start construction. I've never seen anybody build a fire station. What happens now? Now we... Oh, those pups think they're so special. Yeah, I don't think. Well, I have a plan to make sure their fire station doesn't look amazing. Actually, won't choose any of them to be the volunteer fire captain. Let's go! We got this! Oh my god! And now,
You okay? Okay. Dapat may lasa, ma'am. Ang bango.
Tama na. Tama na, gusto niyo na yan. Tama na, honey. Hindi mo rin na. Ito ang naubos eh.
Diba? Ako honey.
That's what we do! You need something built? We'll build it for you. We're a pup family, a pup family.
You are the way. Who's the
Serious business skills. Oh, this is just inside. But not yet. We still need to build it. Oh, I can't see it. Every time you need to build
Ika lang. Ika lang.
Bumili ka.
Okay. Okay? Kailan kami babalik sa school? Anong palanan mo? Faith. Faith? Okay, anong palanan mo? Nae. Ano ba? Hindi. Ikaw yung four. Ikaw yung four. Basta ako naman. Lisa. Ikaw naman. Ako si Jisoo Jen. Ikaw si Rose. Ako ulit. Ako si Jisoo at Jenny. Hindi ako naasiman. Try nyo pa ako. Blackpink talaga. Yan, Blackpink talaga ako, guys. Ako. Oh my God, naaasam niya. Siya ako. Saan yun? Ito. Natunog. Siya ito. Diyan pala. Ako sa mga dito si Stanley. Ay, hindi. Dito si Stanley. Si Rose. Ako. Sino? Ako hindi ako. Nakakasama. Nagay ko lang. Di ma ako. Ika nga. Ako doon lang.
Has anyone tested the pool to make sure you can slide down fast? The pool works. Okay, one more thing I need to check.
Pinakain yung...
Gotta make sure the fire truck can fit inside.
O, di happy ayusin nyo dyan ha! Quick!
Wala po kami. Ito po kami pupuntagaan.
Di ako makakalat nyo, ayusin nyo ha! Okay? Quick! Okay?
And I declare this fire station is ready for the
Ganda ba?
This amazing. Mr. McDonald. Mr. McDonald, make some good pasta. That's early. I'll pour this cement off here. Perhaps we'll be able to open the garage.
Masama siya. Hindi masama siya.
So leaves this fire and
Wala siya sa angry. Di ba wala siya sa angry?
Lagay ko na sa Fiora, nakalimutan yung tinola sa Texas. Silang kinain ng buko ito.
my jacket.
Wala na tao.
Oh, this is nice too.
Kompleto pa lang ito eh. Ilan ba yun naman ni Apat? Kompleto pa ba yun?
Ready? Stop ko na. Guys. Tingin. Sa sarap daw ito.
I need help. Hiking with my family in Regent Sea Snow. There's a fire on the path to get here.
Oh, Marshall, don't worry.